Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Tecno TCL 405 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser and now go to the website of your search engine. For this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to use this search engine, so I will search something. And now click here and go to settings, and now click on search engine option, and here in recently visited you should have now your own search engine, so select that and then click back. And now, as you can see, my search engine is set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.